In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Hostinger promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, type in Hostinger promo code and hit enter. And then once you've done that, we're brought to Google search results. And if we skip past the sponsored results, we're going to have third-party sites offering promo codes. So we got CouponFollow. We can check out Hostinger themselves, and then TechRadar, GrabOn, Coupons.com, RealTimeMeNot. So we can check out any one of those sites for promo codes. But one I like to use is from CouponFollow. So I'm going to click onto CouponFollow. At the moment, they're offering 10% off hosting plans. So yeah, here we go. Enjoy 10% off with code CouponFollow exclusive. If we scroll down, they look like all 10% off. So if you want to activate any one of these, just simply click on the code and then copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Hostinger to enjoy 10% off your order. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so they might look different in the future, and they also expire. So if one code expires, just move on to the next one.